This is the introduction for Crane. No, it's not. It's the playing and singing video for Crane. First, let's just figure out the articulation here. So first we have two regular old B repeated quarter notes with finger 5. So those are going to both be up wrist. And then the D sharp, also up wrist. And then this is our legato right here. So making sure those notes overlap, okay, but fingers nice and curved for now. And then up wrist again, and then this is going to be our down, up with the wrist, and then up, 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 and this is regular old marching, not legato. So just one more time. So not overlapping here, just changing fingers, and then up, 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 2, and then down, up. Okay? So as a general rule for those repeated quarter notes, we're gonna do our up wrist. And yeah, there should be some space in between them, but not staccato, right? There's no staccato mark, so okay. And then just remembering whenever we see the slur, there should be overlap. So we have 3 times that we have the slur. The first one is, so that one we just need to make sure we change our fingers so that they overlap, so that one is still down when the next one goes down, and then it lifts after. So there is a short time when you have both on the piano. Okay, so that's what we use right there. And then the other 2 times that we have the slur, they're both F sharp to E with the slur. So we're gonna go down on the first note with the wrist, up on the second note. And then other than that, the only other spot is here, where we have non-legato, so there's no slur, they're just normal quarter notes. So for those, instead of the legato where we overlap the notes, we just change which one's down. So there should only ever be 1 finger down at a time and no overlap. Okay, so that's our marching, and the legato is more of like our it's almost like tiptoeing, right? Okay, so for these we just change, and then up wrist again because we have repeated notes. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the whole thing one more time, and you should sing along with this, but right now I'm just gonna speak what we should be doing with our hands and fingers one more time because it's a lot to remember in this one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 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 2, slur, 2, up, 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 2, and down, 2, up, 2, up, 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 march, march, up, 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 2, then down, 2, up, 2. All right, and if you have a piano that has dynamics, we should also see what's here. So we have forte at the beginning, which means loud, or the literal translation in Italian means strong. And then we have mezzo forte, which is the MF starting in measure 5. We have that for the second half. So that means that it should be just 1 step sort of lower in volume than the first half. Mezzo means like middle, so it means middle or like medium strong. Okay, and then we also have those decrescendos here, but if you do the wrist, then it will kind of automatically happen, so that's kind of why we do that. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.